Hello, my family members. Today we came with a unique topic that is counting straight lines. Today I will explain you the easiest way to solve this type of problem that no one talk about. Okay, so let's go. Actually, the question will be like how many straight lines are there in the figure, right? And this question was asked in the last of campus drive 2023, right? So give importance, right? One number is very important. So at first, before we solving the questions, we have to know that there are three types of straight lines, right? One is horizontal, and second is vertical, and third is slanting lines, right? So first is horizontal, and then vertical, then slanting line, right? So horizontal lines look like this, and vertical lines look like this, right? And slanting line look like this, right? So we have to count these all straight lines at first, then we will add them so that we can get all total straight lines together, right? So let's go to solve the problem. At first, take or assume a starting point to solve the problem, right? Let's say we are starting with this point, right? Count individually the straight lines, that is, at first check how many horizontal lines are there. So this is one horizontal line, this is one horizontal line, and this is one again. So three horizontal lines are present in the figure, right? And how many vertical lines are present in the figure? One and two and three, right? So three vertical lines are there in the figure, right? And how many slanting line are there? One and two, right? So two slanting line. So all together 3 plus 3 plus 2, that is 6 plus 2, total 8 straight lines are there, right? So answer will be 8, right? So let me tell you a common mistake that candidates do, that is they consider a single straight lines to be multiple straight line. They consider this straight line from here to here one, and from this point to this point they consider the straight lines and count plus one, right? And from this point to this point they again count plus one, right? But you should count the full straight lines to be one, right? So this way you have to solve the problem. Okay, let's go to our next question. So how many straight lines are there in the figure? So let's just solve the problem. That is, at first check how many horizontal lines are there. So horizontal lines, that means uh, this horizontal line and this, right? So one and two horizontal lines are present in the figure, right? So two. And how many vertical lines are there? Vertical lines, that means one, 2 and 3, right? So total 3 vertical lines are present in the figure, right? And how many slanting lines? So 1, 2 and 3 and 4, right? So 4 slanting line present in the figure. So all together 4 plus 3 7 and 2 is 9. So total 9 straight lines are present in the figure. At the last there will be a quiz question for you. Please try to solve the problem and give me the answer in the comment box, right? Okay, let's go to our next question, that is this. So at first check how many horizontal lines are there, then how many vertical lines, then how many slanting lines, right? And don't consider a single line to be multiple line, right? This is the common mistake I'm again repeating. So the horizontal lines present in the figure are 1, 2 and 3, right? So horizontal lines 3, and how many vertical lines? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So vertical lines are 5, right? And how many slanting lines? So 1, 2 and 3 slanting lines. in this way, and in this way 1 2 and 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, right? So slanting lines altogether 6, right? So total 6 plus 5 is 11 and plus 3 is 14. So 14 straight lines are present in the figure, right? So I hope you have got the simple way to solve straight lines, right? I mean, you can count now the straight lines very easily. So this is a quiz question for you. Please pause the video and solve the problem. This is quite similar with the previous one. So I hope you will solve and you give me the answer in the comment box, right? And please let me know if you want more such videos like count of triangle, count of square, count of rectangle in a figure, right? So if you want, then please let me know. I will obviously do a separate video for this, right? So thank you for today's session.